Okay, so what's up, beautiful people? It's another beautiful day again, another beautiful day for testnet. Okay, so today I'm gonna be bringing or showing you how to go about the Pontoon Incentivized TestNet. Okay, here for the possible airdrop, not a possible airdrop, an airdrop that is gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this where so this is the version 2. So they did the version 1 before, and as you can see, 10,000 people participated and they gave them airdrops. Now they are doing the version 2, and if you go down here, scroll down through, as you can see, this is the reward section. As you can see, a total of $50,000 worth of multi-chain tokens shall be distributed post the completion of the testnet. Okay, so he said aside that, say the highest number of bounties found by any user shall get a chance to win multi-chain tokens. So this is an additional reward to this 50,000. As you can see right now, the V2 testnet details. The duration is 20 days. So it started on the 24th of January and it's going to end on the 2nd of March. And $50,000 is going to be the rewards, okay, for the participating. Okay, so it supports both Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, Cello, I don't know, chains. Okay, so you can use any of those chains to connect on this platform. Okay, so he said how to participate. All you just have to do is log in, get some faucets, okay, then play around. As you can see, so what it says is, once the test tokens and prerequisite tokens are collected, log into the URL of Pontoon and then play around. So they're not telling us any specific thing to do. They're just saying, okay, so once you've gotten these testnet tokens and you have gotten all of the tokens that you need to work in the website, all you just have to do is play around with all of the functions that you have right here. So it's pretty much simple. And so this link, I'm going to leave them in the description below. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to have our metamask. Okay, now,
sorry to cut in, but if you are a Nigerian and you are watching this video and you have any crypto coin to sell, I will buy those coins from you at good rates. My WhatsApp contact is in the description below. Reach me and we can make deals.
The metamask, we're going to need we're going to be using either the BSC, it's like we use the BSC, the Polygon, or the Ethereum. And not just any Ethereum, we're going to be using I think let me see. Okay, the Kovan network. Okay, so we're going to be using either the BSC testnet or the Matic testnet or the Kovan testnet for the Ethereum. Okay, so for each of these, if you are using the BSC or Matic or Kovan, you need to have the testnet. So you're going to have either BSC testnet tokens or Matic testnet tokens or Kovan Ethereum testnet tokens. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be using the BSC testnet to just go over this video. Okay, so like I said, the first thing, you need to get your metamask wallet. Okay, choose which of the testnets you're going to be using. I'm going to be using the BSC testnet, so you have to switch over from whatever network it is on to that network. Okay, so I'm going to switch now. As you can see, I'm already on the Binance Smart Chain testnet. Okay, so you can choose either that, or you can go over, you can choose your Kovan test network, or you can choose your Polygon. So if you don't have any of all these testnets, okay, on your Binance, you can just go over to chainlist.org. okay, search for the chain that you want, and then click on add to metamask. Automatically that the chain is going to be added to your metamask. Okay, so now let's go back to the article. Okay, so the website, I'm going to leave the links, like I said, all of them in the description below. The next thing we need to do is go over to the website. Okay, so as you can see, some of the links are here. So this is the testnet website, and this is the faucet for the Pontoon. So the first thing we need to do, after getting either some Binance tokens or some Kovan testnet tokens, the next thing we want to do is get some Pontoon tokens. So if you click on this link here, it's going to take you over to the faucet. Okay, so as you can see right here, my account is already connected. As you can see, this is a Binance Smart Chain. Okay, let me just switch to my other account so you can see how this works. Okay, so I've switched to my other account. I just want to go through this with you. You know, definitely I have done this before in my previous account, and you can only claim once every you can claim tokens once per address. Okay, so I want to also take you through if in case you want to get some Binance smart chain tokens, okay, some testnet tokens, I'm going to leave the link to faucet there in the description below, which is where I'm going right now. So I'm going to go over there and claim some free Binance testnet tokens so that I can be able to partake in this testnet. Okay, so if you go over here, all you just have to do is come over here and paste your wallet address here that you want to be funded, and then just click on give me BNB, 1 BNB. So your account should be funded. As you can see, funding request accepted for this. So they are going to send me some BNB, some testnet BNB to my address. Okay, so I can just decide to go back to the faucet, to the Pontoon faucet, then get some tokens also. As you can see now, I have to connect my wallet again. Let's connect wallet. So my wallet is connected, so automatically it fills in your address for you. Just click on send me tokens. Okay, so it's going to send you some tokens after you have approved the transaction. Okay, and then I think you need BNB for that to be possible. So I think you have to get the faucet tokens first, the BNB first. Okay, and then before you can come over here and claim these free stable coins from this faucet. Then after you've gotten your tokens, then you can move on to the website. As you can see, tokens have been sent, so there's no need for that. So I can just go over back to the platform, which the links are already here. So if you want to go to the main testnet home, just click on this and it's going to take you to the main website, which is this. Okay, the first thing you want to do is maybe you could just go over to balance to check if they sent us a free tokens. As you can see, we have 1000 USD here and BUSD die, so meaning that the faucet actually worked and they sent us some tokens. So we just want to play around. There's no order on as to how to do this. We should just play around with it. Just go over to pools section, and then maybe we can just come here and choose maybe USDT. Let's provide some liquidity. Let's just use about 200 of the 1000 that we have, and then add liquidity, and then just approve it. Okay, so as you can see, 200 USDT has been added as liquidity over here, and now we can decide to remove a bit of the liquidity. But from what I checked, I think you have to wait about 10 minutes after adding liquidity to be able to remove liquidity. So I'm waiting. Let's just go over to a different one. Let's go over to this bridge section to see what we can do in the bridge section. So we want to bridge some tokens from the Binance chain to the Ethereum chain. So then we just have to come over here and choose a token anyone wants. We can just see BUSD, or let's say DAI, any amount, then just over maybe 100. Okay, and then you have to put in an address. So I think they're going to send some of the tokens after converting it, send them to the address. So I already have an address that I can use. I think, oh, this is my address. I don't know if it's going to work, but I just click on swap anyway. Let's see what it's going to do, because we don't know what this website does so much. But let's just play around for the airdrop that should come to us if you find this video on time. Okay, okay, so this is what it's telling us. So it says your swap has been successfully initiated. It might take some time before the swap will display and available for redeem. Please be patient. So to redeem your tokens, switch to undefined. Okay, let's click on switch. Okay, so it turns out it doesn't work. So I think this is one of the things I would have to tell them in the Discord. So if you come over to the website, I think they have a link here to the, I don't know, to, okay, there's no link, because these are things that we need to tell them just in case, so that they can improve on this stuff. Okay, so it turns out there's nothing that I can do here. So the switch doesn't work. Maybe I can just close it and then maybe it will work later. So I think if that swap went through, I will see here in my swap history. Okay, so and they told us to be patient. I think maybe it's going to come over here back. So now let's go back to our post to maybe remove a bit of the liquidity. Okay, so now it has opened up, and now let's just remove about, let's say, 32% of the liquidity that we provided. Okay, so and we just click on remove and then approve it. I can confirm. Okay, so I think you can see this just reduced from 200 to 136. So part of it has been removed from the liquidity that we added. So I think there's pretty much nothing else to do. Okay, so you can see I think they have social media here. You have Telegram, and they have Medium. I don't know what this is. Okay, I think you can reach them from all of these social media. So right now I think we've explored all that they have to offer in this website. Okay, so this is my liquidity. Okay, so this bridge section, I don't know what is happening to this bridge section. It's not working perfectly. I think we should change, maybe we should change chains. Let's see for avalanche and see if it's going to make any difference, but I don't think it's going to make any difference though. Okay, so if you find this video, maybe you can just do this over and over again till it works. I don't know, maybe it's part of the flaws of the website, but it doesn't matter. I think we've done all that we needed to do. I'm just going a bit here to see if there's gonna be a change. Okay, clicking on switch. So it turns out switch doesn't work. So I think that will be all for today, guys. We have done all we needed to do for the airdrop, and it's going to end on the 2nd of March. Okay, so yeah, just try to do this multiple times. I think from what I've gathered, the more times you use the platforms or any of all these testnet platforms, the more you tend to make more from the airdrop. Okay, so if you actually did like this video and you've liked my videos from before, why not give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I would really appreciate it. And this is Crypto Everything again, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.